Everybody, Steve Georgie here. It's October 12th, 2010. We had the markets that were strong here today as far as the grains. Corn leading the way. Actually, it was up 23 1/4 cents. Very strong. We broke out above yesterday's highs of 573 1/4. We ended up closing right at 579. So it is a strong move. Looks like these guys want to try to take it up to that $6 area over the next few days, but it is a strong move right now. Beans ended up going up about 26 cents. Pretty strong there. Next psychological resistance near 12 does look pretty good, and it seems right now the momentum is certainly higher. The trends are still up, and that's the way these guys are continuing to trade that. The wheat market struggling though a little bit. It was up just 3/4 cents. We feel if we're going to see the grains continue to rally, or at least see corn and beans continue to rally, we may still find wheat try to jump a little bit here, just right on the coattails of the other two. But it was a weaker close. We did see that trade in the red for most of the day today. It seems that any kind of significant bounce for wheat has been met with some selling. So we'll see if we do continue to get that kind of pressure. It almost feels like they're spreading and maybe buying corn, buying beans, selling wheat right now. But watch for that to unwind. When it does, that could be a little bit more beneficial for wheat. But looking at the charts strictly on wheat, we're in a sideways trade range right now. We're in a sideways range. We're kind of in the middle of that range. So if we end up seeing a little bit more of a pullback, it may be a buying opportunity yet. Or if we see a significant jump near that $8 area for wheat, you may find some selling there as well. But right now we're kind of stuck in this trade range. As far as the energies, not much going on today. Crude oil down about 35 cents, near just below that $82 a barrel. So it has backed off here. You've got the dollar that is down about 16 cents right now as well. So we had a very strong day early in the dollar. We went to 78.17. We're currently at 77.50. So we are well off those highs. We're near the lows of the day. It does look negative, and it almost seems like we're going to continue the trend that we've been in over the last few weeks. So the dollar is still negative. With the dollar falling, that usually gives some strength here for the metals. You've got gold that's down about $1.50 right now. That's rebounded off its lows. We've got silver right about unchanged. So overall, the metal market's rather quiet. We are near these highs, these contract highs. If the dollar is going to continue to work lower, probably going to find the metals try to strengthen up and try to take out those highs yet again. So keep that in mind here. They are in an uptrend. They do look strong. We're probably going to see some higher prices yet. As far as the soft markets, kind of mixed today. Silver was strong. Cotton was weak. Sugar was strong. Cotton was weak. Sugar was up 86 points. It was a strong close, closed near the upper end of the range, actually into new recent highs here. We could see that continue to go higher with a target near 28 cents. You've got cotton down 92 points. After being strong early on, the cotton market had reversed actually a pretty weak close, closing near the lower end of the range here. It seemed like just some profit taken at the end of the session. But we did see that retract quite a bit, and we could see a move maybe down to that 106 level again. So we may find a little pullback. But be careful with the cotton. Still in an uptrend, still very strong. I think we still can see that market go quite a bit higher yet, as long as we hold that trend line, and right now we certainly are. So keep that in mind. As far as the livestock, you had fat cattle up 55 cents, feeders up 10 cents, and the hogs today were mixed. Fat cattle being the strongest, mostly due to some fund buying and fund activity here remaining on the long side and pushing prices higher. But we'll see if that's going to follow through the week. It does look like the funds are in control. As this dollar continues to break, the funds still are looking to buy what they can. And, the grains have been the leaders, and I think from that report that we had seen last Friday, we still could have some upside, some significant upside yet in corn. And if that's going to be the case, beans are probably going higher, and so is wheat. So we'll see if that's the case. Give us a call here with any questions that you may have, 800-262-7538. Check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day. We'll talk to you a little later in the week.